Hi, my name is Ben and welcome to my first look at Pioneer's brand new high-performance TS-Z10LS2 subwoofer. The Z subwoofer uses much of the same highly advanced technology as the Z full-range loudspeakers to create seamlessly integrated musical perfection, fast, detailed, with extended bass and tremendous impact and clarity. Combining high fidelity and high output in a compact, shallow design, the Z subwoofer offers both unparalleled performance and near limitless installation flexibility. As a result, the placement of the Z subwoofer can be optimized for sound quality and bass reinforcement, unlike conventional subwoofers that must be installed where they physically fit. Balance, speed, power, and bass extension unite to create the ultimate low-frequency experience. So what makes this subwoofer so good? For me, it comes down to three key features. High-res audio ready. Even in the sub-bass region, high-res audio recordings require a subwoofer that is capable of extremely high dynamic range and low distortion that integrates smoothly with the mid and high-frequency speakers. The Z subwoofer are designed to take full advantage of high-res audio recordings with wide dynamics, extended frequency response, and extraordinarily accurate and detailed bass. The second feature is Tuaron subwoofer cone construction. Subwoofer cones created with Tuaron are rigid and low mass with excellent dampening characteristics. Strength and rigidity are important to maintain cone shape during challenging bass notes, while dampening is critical to improving the responsiveness and signal accuracy. The low mass of an amarid fiber cone improves both sensitivity and speed of the Z series subwoofer, increasing output and power handling. The third feature is a shallow basket with oversized cone and magnet. Subwoofers require an extremely strong basket that holds the cone, suspension, and motor structure together in perfect alignment, even during high excursions at low frequencies. Traditional subwoofers require large enclosures that can be challenging to install seamlessly. The Z subwoofer features a shallow basket for installation flexibility, a low Q design for high performance in small enclosures, an oversized cone, 15% larger when compared to a conventional 10-inch subwoofer, and a motor structure with a powerful 67.7-ounce magnet that combine to produce fast, detailed, and extended bass with tremendous impact and clarity.